Corruption Act, 1988. Arrangement of sections. Chapter 1. Preliminary. 1. Short title and extent. 2. Definitions. Chapter 2. Appointment of special judges. 3. Power to appoint special judges. 4. Cases triable by special judges. 5. Procedure and powers of special judge. 6. Power to try summarily. Chapter 3. Offenses and penalties. 7. Offense relating to public servant being bribed. 7a. Taking undue advantage to influence public servant by corrupt or illegal means or by exercise of personal influence. 8. Offense relating to bribing of a public servant. 9. Offense relating to bribing a public servant by a commercial organization. 10. Person in charge of commercial organization to be guilty of offense. 11. Public servant obtaining undue advantage, without consideration from person concerned in proceeding or business transacted by such public servant. 12. Punishment for abatement of offenses. 13. Criminal misconduct by a public servant. 14. Punishment for habitual offender. 15. Punishment for attempt. 16. Matters to be taken into consideration for fixing fine. Chapter 4. Investigation into cases under the Act. 17. Persons authorized to investigate. 17a. Inquiry or investigation of offenses relatable to recommendations made or decision taken by public servant in discharge of official functions or duties. 18. Power to inspect bankers' books. Chapter 4a. Attachment and forfeiture of property. 18a. Provisions of Criminal Law Amendment Ordinance, 1944 to apply to attachment under this Act. Chapter 5. Sanction for prosecution and other miscellaneous provisions. 19. Previous sanction necessary for prosecution. 20. Presumption where public servant accepts any undue advantage. 21. Accused person to be a competent witness. 22. The Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973 to apply subject to certain modifications. 23. Particulars in a charge in relation to an offense under Section 13(1). 24. Omitted. 25. Military, naval and air force or other law not to be affected. 26. Special judges appointed under Act 46 of 1952 to be special judges appointed under this Act. 27. Appeal and revision. 28. Act to be in addition to any other law. 29. Amendment of the Ordinance 38 of 1944. 29a. Power to make rules. 30. Repeal and saving. 31. Repealed. www.lawschool.com